You didn't actually think that I was going to have a white farm shop, did you? I think you all know me a little better than that.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
There were tons of our YouTube family members when it was being painted white with the primer that you're like, we need black trim. Why did you make the front on the edges? Why didn't you make that a color? We had a plan, so I was like, just hold off, we're not done yet. You guys are jumping the gun. We only have so many hours in a day. I'm gonna go look at it down the hill. Okay, almost a gallon for this great big side. You can see the front. Obviously, you guys were saying like, you need to do the thing. See, this is just primer. It's not solid yet. Look at the yellow. Okay, this looks so good now that the primer is on it. Yeah, when it dries, we'll have to touch up some spots. It's so good. It's so good. I can't wait to do the white trim on it because it is so good. The blue gray of the house looks beautiful with it. Honestly, it looks so pretty. And then the trim on either end will be white. So it won't have just the top white there, and it needs another coat on the white because again, that's just primer. It's going to be so good. Unbelievable. Think white and yellow rambling roses, purple lavender, calendula, chamomile, all the beautiful colors, sunflowers. Oh, he's going for it. YouTube family, he's taking over. Tell me when I can paint. Okay, now that we've gotten to do some painting today, it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter. And although I don't love the heat, I'm so glad I did not listen to the weather and we planned on doing our painting today because this is so dreamy and it's exactly what I was envisioning. Definitely not done the white paint or the white trim yet, but with the blue sky. Okay, we're gonna do a little test. I need to know what you think, because I don't think it looks bad with the house color at all, but you can be the judge, I guess. Also, I was hoping that maybe you would be able to help me out with a little experiment. So we know that the number of subscribers that we have on our channel doesn't necessarily help our videos grow. Obviously, it's great to have subscribers because they have notification bells on and that helps your video views. But let's do a little experiment. I want to see, depending on how many likes and how many comments we get, if that really helps us push the videos with YouTube. So today's mission, leave as many comments as you want to on today's video. I don't even care what they're about. Leave as many comments as you can and let's see if that helps push the video a little. Philip is absolutely loving the yellow. He's determined now to get the back portion of the barn painted. Our goal is to get one full coat on the barn, on the farm shop, and then we're gonna leave it for a couple hours, have some lunch, and then come back. You're in this forest, but you are in the woods, babe. We still haven't cut the logs that are obviously under the building yet, so we'll be doing that in the next week or so and getting the land built up. Oh, it's so pretty. I actually love the shaping and detailing on the back of this building. The man that built it, that we bought it from, he does a beautiful job on the building. I'm gonna show you down kind of at the road what it looks like. So pretty. I can see it behind me. When you come up the driveway, you'll be up there. Obviously, this is not going to be there, and Philip's going to be landscaping and maneuvering all of the dirt, making the pathways and the roadway. I don't think it looks bad with the house color at all. We're going to be making some changes to the greenhouse as well, getting us ready so that we have that done before winter. Probably going to be doing that in the next week or so that we can get that freshly scrubbed out, painted, cleaned up, and ready, because early spring, we will be utilizing the greenhouse to grow tons of starter plants, not only flowers, but fruits and veggies and things. So we want to make sure that that is ready and situated for us for spring. And we need to start cutting all of our firewood for winter. I'm excited for this to dry so I can get the white trim work done on it. I think that will really add to the detailing. I'll try there.
Oh, maybe down, maybe up. Oh my, that just looks so much better.
I'm even getting underneath good. You like my ladder?
Love your ladder.
Chase just yelled yeah from his bedroom window. I want his quad.
It's Chase's quad. Chase, there's gonna be paint on it. Boom, boom. The only thing is the door is somehow fallen a bit. We're gonna have to fix that, but other than that, wow.
I dropped my paintbrush on the sidewalk.
The roller just finishes it off.
I'll need another coat on the door, I think, in a minute, but.
Yeah, another coat on the door.
Yeah. Today was a very very productive day getting the exterior of the farm shop finished up for the paint job. And I'm so excited. We have the sign back up. We have the doors and trim all painted. We have the color on, and I think it looks incredible. Look at the farm shop. YouTube family, it's really starting to turn into a little country farm store, and that's obviously what it is. So I'm very excited by the way that it's looking so far. I cannot wait to decorate it for different seasons. I'm probably going to decorate it even like this fall and winter, even though we won't be open yet, just for my own sake to like do the exterior. But it's going to be so rewarding to get all of the land manicured around the farm shop to get it looking like it's more of a permanent structure than where it's raised up on the ground right now. So I'm really looking forward to that part, because of course, you know, we have to do that before winter comes, and Philip's going to be working on that because we are about to just tackle and finish up the roofing on the horse barn. We need to get the shingles on. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, tomorrow we can do that, weather permitted. So we're going to take a break for a couple of days on the farm shop and make some progress on the horse barn. So that's very rewarding. I wanted to remind you that we right now have buy one, get one 50% off on all tallow products on atlantictallow.com. So if you'd like to support what we're working on, doing our horse barn and our dream farm shop and all the things you see here on our YouTube channel, showing your support on atlantictallow.com would really help us out. So if you're not subscribed and you're new here, hit subscribe, follow along on our journey of building our dream farm shop. We are working on progress here also on the homestead and other interior renovations coming soon. So I love you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget, challenge in this video, leave as many comments as you can on our video and see if that helps us push this video on YouTube.